Good afternoon. Welcome to the regularly scheduled meeting, but rescheduled meeting of the Economic Development and Regulatory Services Committee for today, October 3rd. I've been joined by Council members Fletcher, Gordon, and Ellison, which is a quorum of our committee. There are 4 consent items. They include the liquor license approvals for October 3rd, as well as the liquor license renewals. As you note, there's over 100 of them up today, as well as the gambling license approvals and the gambling license renewals. Item number 6 is some operating conditions for Breakfast Bar of Minnesota, and I'm going to move all of those items unless there's anything anyone would like to pull for discussion. Seeing none, all in favor of the motion to approve the consent agenda signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? That item is approved. We have one public hearing, and before we start our public hearing, I'd invite Mr. Frank to make an introduction.
Madam Chair, thank you very much. Committee members, I had a chance, except for Councilmember Fletcher yesterday, to introduce CPED's new Deputy Director, so I thought here in our home committee I would do just that. Susan Geller started on Tuesday, and she's going to be fantastic, and you'll be seeing a lot of her. Thank you so much.
Great. Well, Ms. Geller, why don't you come up and tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure.
Welcome to the job.
Thank you.
Favorite animal?
It's always
favorite
easy to
color?
talk about your job. Cats or dogs? No.
I have 2 dogs, one of which came from our very own animal control,
Isn't that great?
rescued Charlie.
Why don't you tell us just a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, first of all, it's just an honor to be here and to be working in this great city and with this amazing team. And I came here because I'm interested in being part of a group of people who wants to work on systemic equity. Racial and economic equity are areas close to my heart. And so this is just a great place to be with people who share that commitment and passion, and I'm ready to do the work.
Great. Can you just tell us a little bit about your background?
Yes, so I'm coming from 5 years in nonprofit leadership working with suburban poverty in the Northwest Metro at Interfaith Outreach and Community Partners. Before that, I did change leadership at the University of Minnesota for about 12 years, so working with people and systems change to achieve impact.
Terrific. Well, feel free to reach out to anyone on the committee or any of the council members for an introduction. I'm sure everyone will be happy to welcome you, and I officially will welcome you on behalf of the committee, and we really look forward to working with you and happy to have you part of our team.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you for being here today. The remaining item is a public hearing, so I will first ask staff to give a report on item number 1.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, committee members. My name is Max Cervantes, and I'm a licensed inspector assigned to the 1st Precinct. I'm presenting an application from Stillheart, owned by Tap Beverage Company, LLC. The business address is 124 3rd Avenue North, which is located in Ward 3. The applicant is requesting on-sale liquor with Sunday sales, limited entertainment cocktail room license. The proposed hours of operation are Monday through Thursday, 2 p.m. to 12 a.m., Friday, 2 p.m. to 1 a.m., Saturday, 12 p.m. to 1 a.m., and Sunday, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Stillheart will have indoor seating for 120 and no outdoor seating. On September 11th, 80 public hearing notices were sent to residents and property owners within 450 feet of the premises. All multi-unit buildings were posted. Notices were also sent to the North Loop Neighborhood Association, the Warehouse District Business Association, and Councilmember Fletcher. We have received no comments from the community. The Licenses and Consumer Services Division recommends approval of on-sale liquor with Sunday sales, limited entertainment, cocktail room license for Stillheart. Thank you, and I can answer any questions on this.
Thank you for that report. Are there any questions for Mr. Cervantes? Seeing none, we'll open the public hearing on item number 1, which is an application for Stillheart. I see you're here, so does anyone like to come up and tell us a little bit about what you're doing? Please just state your name and address for the record.
My name is Kirsten Karnitz. I'm the owner of Stillheart. I live on 4610 East Lake Street. So I'm the owner of Stillheart. I actually helped open Lawless Distilling Company in South Minneapolis in the Seward neighborhood in 2014. I left that company last year, and now I'm going out on my own and doing my own distillery with a cocktail room. So what's a little different about this distillery, we'll be making our spirits on site and serving them in our cocktail room, and we won't be distributing spirits. So we'll be mainly focused on cocktails.
Cool. Great. Well,
Yes.
welcome. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
Anyone else here to speak to this issue? Anyone? Anyone? Seeing none, we'll close the public hearing. Councilmember Fletcher.
Thank you, Chair Goodman. I'll say we didn't get any formal comments, but certainly people talking around the neighborhood are very excited about this, and I think it's going to be a nice addition to the neighborhood. So thank you. Wish you the best of luck in your new business, and I'm happy to move approval.
On the motion to approve by Councilmember Fletcher, all in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? That item is unanimously approved. Seeing no further business before us, we are adjourned.